Ayan guys, mami. Ito. Gwapo yung hairstyle by daddy. Yan. Okay, yan. Simple, bislas, cute. Ayaw sa... Nadaot mo na itong shooting. Wapit na kauman mo baba, manoy. Wapit na mag-explain. Paano na ito ma-promote ni mong hairstyle by June Bars of Black TV? Tarong mong look to me. Yan, smile. Okay. And hi, hello, say hi. Hi. Okay. Ito gawa ni daddy. Yan, simple harp. Diba? Yan, okay. Okay yan. Yan ang kabuuan ng detalye. Mami and Ate Dimple.